have a dream to fly in the sky like a free bird. It's my desire to go wherever the man can reach. But even this present world, we, the people like me, constrained in the so called modern wheelchair with a traditional structure which is not supporting our dynamic thoughts. I am Ganesh Kumar from India. I am a mouth painting artist. Both my hands and legs are paralyzed due to polio, but I did not give up. I started to draw and paint with my mouth. I am a scholarship holder of AMFPA. AMFPA is an international association based in Liechtenstein which provides immense support for the mouth and foot painting artists worldwide to be inclusive in the limelight of mainstream art world. Last few years, I have been thinking of a drone wheelchair which would practically fulfill my dream. But I did not share it with anyone. But recently, I came to know that WhatsApp International is conducting a worldwide art contest encouraging to explore the innovative and positive possibilities for the physically challenged people. So, this news inspired me a lot and I transferred my dream to the canvas and submitted it for the contest. In this painting, a man is dashing out by breaking the dark history of age-old notions on disability. It is not only a dream, but a proposal to the modern scientist to develop such a flying chair, especially for people with disabilities. It is not a project proposal for a space village. It is a humble request to develop a simple flying device, which is very easy task for outstanding scientists of the present world. From this platform of WhatsApp International, I hope that the foresighted rulers will review this concept and take the initial step to implement this as a new revolution for updating the modern world. When he is on the wings of freedom, the whole life intensively embraced him with its all phases of ecstasy. It would be the roadless private vehicle for everyone in the future world. Then the distinction between abled and disabled will be disappeared.